old Precisions. You'd be like the third person to ever put eyes on it.
Oh, dang.
Guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel. I'm back at home right now. You can see we got motorcycles everywhere. I realized when I was editing this video that I didn't even do an intro for it. I was so excited. Putting a 408 in the GTO LSX block. Big heads, it's gonna make big power. My buddy Dodger from 187 stepped up in a big way, and he's supporting the channel, he's supporting me, and what our goals are. So let's get right back to it, and I'll show you guys this motor, and we'll go through a little bit of what all's done to it. And then I got another video coming out here in like a day or two where we walk around the 187 shop. It is incredible. They got some cool projects going on there, some big stuff. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss any of this content.
Now to see it all unwrapped.
LSX blocks.
Brand new. Brand new GM block. You don't even got no heat cycles on.
Nothing. Those are some huge heads, man.
What are they?
Look at these 245s.
245 or 6 or something. In canal exhaust valves, all that. Titanium intakes. Yeah.
All right, so there it is. That's why we need to go to the big 88 IRS, because it's getting a big 408 LSX stroker with a PRC 247 heads going in the GTO. Hang a big Garrett off of it. This guy making it happen.
Sir.
I'm gonna put some power to the ground.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Ain't no hoping. It has no choice. Everything that I know about this intake is the right deal. Even this, we can make all of this work.
Intake, throttle, body.
Yep.
Be able to use a lot of
The
it.
drive-by-way, everything. We should be able to put all of this stuff on that.
Go with the standalone
Keep all of your
ECM.
accessories just with a big-ass engine and a big-ass turbo.
Put the turbo right down there.
Right here.
Big. Shove it in there.
Let's see if it'll fit. We'll make it fit. It's gonna go something like that.
We'll figure it out.
There it goes. Something like that. That's a large frame
But on
turbo.
that motor. Yeah, so it'll be a mid-frame turbo. That's a large frame turbo, so it'll be a little bit smaller, but we should be goals, or what do you think? Easy 1200, 1300 with AC and all that.
We'll target like 1500. Should be pretty safe.
So the motor's built by Texas Speed, built to handle 1500 wheel horsepower, so I'm guessing 1800 or so crank. It's got the Callie's Dragon Slayer crank, Callie's H-beam rods, diamond pistons, PRC heads. What kind of valves do you say were in it?
In canal exhaust.
In canal exhaust valve, that's what it was.
And
247 PRC heads, worked over, all CNC'd. 6-bolt block, half-inch bore, or half-inch studs. All ARP hardware holding everything together. McLeod clutch, slipper clutch. Some other junk will be
McLeod Bonifonte.
McLeod Bonifonte there. Stab the new rear end and take it out one last time on that motor, IFO, huh?
Spray the guts out of it.
Put the biggest shot the little solenoids will handle. One last rip on that old motor.
Bing bang.
I like that orange. It's gonna look good.
Yeah.
All the front accessories, everything should work. Just it's the LS7 style crank, so it's dry sump. So there's options to put a wet sump on it or stay dry sump, and look into all that.
I know I selected the long snout on that crank to fit the dampener that I have that fits the wet sump pump that we don't have anymore. You can still run the conventional pump on that, but with that dampener, we can also run the big mechanical fuel pump.
Yeah, and that's the thing. We're gonna need the fuel to supply it. So probably looking at mechanical fuel pump, and
6-gallon pump.
a little bit outside of my realm, but we're learning. And we're gonna stab it in there and try to break some records, go fast, and then maybe one day put a glide in it and really turn it up, huh?
Break the record first.
Yeah, for sure.
Break the stick shift record, then we're going to go fast on the glide.
So that's it. Before you know it, she's gonna need a cage and a chute.
Speaking my language.
All right, guys, so we went over most of it in the video. I want everybody here who's still watching to do me a favor. Go check out 187 Instagram page. It's linked in the description below. They're making big things happen for us. They're making big things happen for the channel. I appreciate everything they're doing for us. So please go follow them on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Hook937. So until next time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of this 408 LSX build, this 88 IRS swap. We're taking it down to IFO and racing it one last time on this LS2 motor. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss any of it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time.